Hi everyone, welcome back to Legs Down's little corner of YouTube. Hope you're all good. It's thanks to Sandra for providing the footage for this one, which sees us heading to the Caravan and Motorhome Club site near the Wirral Country Park. Our coverage starts on the A540 heading north towards Thurstaston. This is probably most easily reached from junction 4 of the M53, where you turn off onto the A5137 towards Gayton. So here's our turning coming up. It's to the left, first exit into Station Road. Those who will follow the directions provided by the club will be joining from the right. Once you've made the turn, follow the road to the T-junction, then turn right to continue on Station Road. Bear around to the left, then follow the road for 3/4 of a mile. That turning to the left is for parking for the country park. And take a sharp right hand turn here to continue on Station Road. Follow this road for just 1/3 of a mile and the entrance to the caravan site will be on your left hand side. Okay, here we are. 90 pitches, 73 of which are hard standing, normally open from the middle of March to the beginning of November. Non-members are welcome, but sadly they do not accept tents. Thanks very much for watching and we'll see you next time. Cheers.